Hey guys, are you experiencing no sound on WhatsApp status? After posting WhatsApp status on your WhatsApp and you experience no sound on your videos? Not to worry, I'll show you a simple trick on how to fix this. First off, check if your volume is on the maximum level. If your volume is on the maximum level, then you check if your phone is on silent mode. If your phone is on silent mode, you turn it off. Turn off your silent button and check the video again. Voila! That's the simple fix of no sound on WhatsApp status. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye!